Hey everyone, this is Morshed from Computer CPU Plus. Today in this video I'm going to show you a crazy powerful computer which is a video production server, and this server we built here. Let me switch the camera. The case itself is not looks nice because it's actually server case, so this server case goes to the rack, so that's why the output is ugly, but all the material inside the PC is super powerful and it's very expensive. So as you can see here, the processor is Ryzen Threadripper 3970X 32 core processor, and this processor is along around $2,000, and total memory is 3600 megahertz, 128 gigabyte, and 1 terabyte NVMe, 2 terabyte NVMe. Here is the expensive part, RTX 6000 ADA, and this is a 48 GB video card, and this video card itself is around $8,000, and which is here. This video card itself is $8,000. Alright, and then it has also a NVIDIA T1000 series which is 4 gigabyte. So overall this PC, including the motherboard, case, and the oh, by the way, this has a Delta Cast video card here. This is also almost few $1,000. I believe this is around $5,000, $6,000, $7,000. So almost here is $25,000 built. So yeah, it's a Threadripper, a super powerful computer. Not only this, like this we have upgraded and built 2 more server here. So oh, by the way, reason for those case, because of the user can put the PC into the rack, and that way they can easily move it and rotate it without any issue. So here is a 2 more, and this 2 machine is more expensive than that. So those has a Ryzen Threadripper 50. Let me go ahead and turn on. There's 2 different type of PC, and let's see which one is that. Alright, so this one has Ryzen Threadripper PRO 5965WX24 core, and you guys already know that this processor at this moment 2025 August around few $1,000, and here 128 gigabyte memory, and those are 3200 megahertz, those 3600, we running at 3200, and 2 SSD, 2 terabyte and 2 terabyte, and this one has RTX A 5000 series. Again, this is 24 gigabyte, and this one also a few thousand $US. So all combined. By the way, this server also has a video card plus the Delta Cast. I think it is AGA card. Yeah, it's a AGA card. So around 20,000 this type of bill. So this is all about like a build, how much in your expensive, even there are not any custom loop or anything. We also do the custom loop, but that is not a custom loop, it's just a server case, and we trying to build a most powerful system to doing the video production, especially that do the 4K 8K wall size LED for conference room. So yeah, this is what I was just curious to show you guys all this hardware, is very expensive hardware, plus is very powerful machine. Pretty much you can do whatever you want to do with them. This is all for about today, and any question, comments below. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.